I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063.
Collateral.
Speak to me now.
Have you been struggling to find business funding? What about an instantly approved $3,000 to $25,000? Would that help you? Well, let me tell you, I might have some solutions for you if possibly your credit is a little on the fair side and maybe you've just started your business. So let me ask you, have you been in business at least 6 months? Do you have at least a 600 credit score? Do you have your last 3 months of bank statements? If you have those things, I have a source for you that can help you. Instantly approvals mean the day that you put your documentation in and you get your approvals, if it's before 12 p.m., you get your money same day. If it's after 12 p.m., you get your money the next day.
There's a new industry called alternative capital. There's no collateral required, so now all of a sudden all businesses are eligible. They only have to be in business long enough to produce $15,000 per month for the last 3 months. They need a 550 FICO score. They can use the funds freely. They don't have to have a business plan approved. It's a 5-minute online app, and the funds are available next day.
Now, we do have a buy down program that we can, if they don't qualify for one of our select fundings, we can take some lesser cost on that. But for highly qualified businesses, we're going to offer repayment rates of anywhere from a 118 to a 129 on these programs.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.